The picturesque landscape of Dolenjska, crossed by rivers, forest and castles, and the healing thermal waters have for centuries attracted guests from near and far to Krka's Terme Dolenjske Toplice. Already during the Austro-Hungarian Empire, it was considered a prestigious resort. Today it is a popular centre of health and wellness for all ages, with plenty of opportunities for relaxation, sport and active and healthy holidays. In Spa Dolenjske Toplice, guests can enjoy their holidays in the modernly designed Hotel Balnea Superior, which, according to the tour guide Lonely Planet, is one of the best hotels in Slovenia. 4 stars hotels, Hotel Vital and Crystal, are rich with history and old architecture. Nearby is also a camp. The hotels are among themselves and with the relaxation and health centres connected through panoramic and underground passages. Thermal pools are located in the health centre, where the water temperature is 36 degrees Celsius, as well as in the Balnea Wellness Centre, where you can swim in the indoor and outdoor pools with temperatures from 28 to 32 degrees Celsius. Pampering at the Wellness Centre Balnea continues in the realm of the bath, sauna and massage and the Centre for Cosmetic, Facial and Body Treatments. Couples are particularly fond of the one or multi-days wellness programs, where they can enjoy massages and baths for 2. For a fresh and useful look, visit the Clinic for Aesthetic Procedures. Terme Dolenjske Toplice boasts a rich spa tradition due to the thermal water, which is at the temperature of the human body, 36 degrees Celsius. The Centre for Medical Rehabilitation is successfully treating rheumatic diseases of the locomotor system, as well as patients after injuries and surgery, help relieving problems of back pain, muscle pain and osteoporosis. The health centre offer is complemented by a number of specialist outpatient clinics of the diagnostic centre. Dishes that are prepared for the guests at Terme Dolenjske Toplice are combining 2 delicious worlds: the traditional diet with the typical taste of Dolenjska region and valuable advice from our grandmothers, as well as a light spa diet with modern methods of healthy food preparation. Congresses, company seminars and business meetings are also an important part of the offer of Terme Dolenjske Toplice. Guided programs of relaxation, walking, cycling, hiking with torches and picnics on a clearing, trips to the nearby surroundings in Dolenjska, Bela Krajina, even a visit to the jungle of Kočevski Rog. These are all great experiences which, in addition to relaxation and recreation, are offered in Terme Dolenjske Toplice, the spa with a soul.